Hello everyone, it's Miss Novetrol. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit more about a software program I've noticed some of us are struggling with, ActivInspire. It's on your desktop, and if you just double click it, we can go ahead and open it and get started. While it opens, ActivInspire is a great tool to use in your classroom to have ease of setup between classes and to even help with classroom management. The more you have your flip chart set up for your class, the better you can manage your class. So today I'm just going to go over some of the basic features with you, okay? The first thing that pops up is this ActivInspire dashboard. You really don't need this for anything. It just offers you the same tools that are available in your toolbar up here on the top left. So I'm just going to go ahead and close out of this. And because we only have a limited amount of time today, I'm going to talk to you about some of the more basic features in the program. Okay? Right here, we have tools to change pages. I've noticed many of us are creating single page flip charts because we're not really sure what we're doing. These allow us to change pages, just like adding a new slide in a PowerPoint. Down here we have some color choices to use with our pen and our highlighter, and even sometimes maybe our shape and fill tools. Here we have some size recommendations for our pen, highlighter, and shape. And here are some alternate settings that we can use. We just use this little slider tool. Down here we have our mouse pointer. This is probably the one you're most familiar with. It's what your regular mouse looks like. Here's where we can find tools, a pen, a highlighter, an eraser, a fill tool, shape, and text. Those are the ones we're really going to focus on today. As you notice, if you hover your mouse over them, it will tell you what the tools are. But let's go ahead and get started with this text tool, because typing is what most people use their flip chart for, at least initially. Okay, so as you can see up here, when I click the T, I have all these different text options that show up: font, size, increasing, decreasing size, bold, italics, underlines, superscript, subscript, color, and then some of the more basic features you see in like a Word document. I'm not going to go through all of those with you. We're just going to go ahead and type something here. I'm just going to say, hello all, welcome to our tutorial. Okay? And as you can see, that typed it in blue. However, maybe I want to type something in black to get students' attention later. And just click up here and change the color to black. So this allows me to draw attention to certain text items. And as you can see over here, not all of my text is on my flip chart. In order to get on my flip chart, I'm going to come over here and select the mouse tool. I'm going to select my text, and I'm just going to use these resizing tools over here to let my flip chart fit on my page. So you can just resize it. Okay? Once you have that, you can have students write definitions up here. You can have them answer problems. You can have them write their own problems. If you're doing math like me, you might have them write 5 plus 3 equals 8. And you'll have to forgive me, the pen tool is definitely much easier to use in person on your active board. But for the purposes of this tutorial, we're just going to stick to the screen, okay? And in order to erase that, we're just going to click the eraser and erase it. If you need to create multiple pages, you can use this page turner tool over here. And you might want to create a new shape over there. So let's go to our shapes, and we're going to click the square. We're just going to use the settings that are already there and create a square. But perhaps I want to highlight the corners of that square so students know what I'm talking about when I say corners. So I can go in and highlight those. This is really just a start of some of the basic features, but I wanted to go ahead and give you those so that you could start playing on your own. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I can't wait to make some more for you. See you soon.